So a relatively safe way to light petrol with an empty lighter, but without pouring the petrol in the lighter, because if you've got mixed petrol and you put it in one of these, it seems to ruin them completely. So I'll show you a relatively safe way of doing it. Put the cap back on the can, and this will still explode as well. So like I said, relatively safe way of doing it. Because if you try and just light this a puddle, it'll explode, and if you fill these up with normal petrol which has been mixed with oil, two-stroke oil, it normally seems to ruin these. Or you might have a good lighter which you've been putting lighter fluid in, and you don't want to wreck it by putting normal petrol in it. So just dip something in, don't soak it too much, and then use your spark to ignite it. Or if you do want to put some on this, and get a stick, dip it in, and then just put a drop in there, and that way you've not completely soaked it all the way through in petrol. So another thing you can use with an empty lighter is cramp ball or King Alfred's cakes. You won't be able to get a flame from it, but you'll be able to make this burn like charcoal. And once that's burning like that, you can then use that to light something else. Several other things you might be able to light with an empty petrol lighter. You could probably do birch bark. I have done it before, but this is an old dead branch. It seems better, in my opinion, if you get it from a living tree. That's, you know, from my experience, but birch bark would do it, and you can sometimes light old charred bits of wood, and you could definitely light char cloth from it as well. See that one's still burning there, look. Still burning away. Yeah, so birch bark, charred wood, char cloth definitely. Sometimes really dry, stinging nettle stems. And sometimes you can get some of these kind of tinders which will go up really quick. They would light with an empty petrol lighter as well.